What's going on, YouTube? And y'all already know what's going on, baby. Is if y'all did like the last video, that's probably why y'all here for this one. We got the second lot day. It's been a heavy weekend. We just got off of work, and as you can see, we are in the Z, but not for much longer because we are already in Greenville. I'm about to go ahead and start. We're like 2 minutes out from the lot. I had to stop and get your boys some waters. I had to get a water. I had to get Clay a water because he's been out there since 9 a.m. So we are about to go cut up. We only got the Sur-on today. Like the last video, the 250 is at my boy's house. So unfortunately, until your boy gets a truck, he's not mobile with the 250, so I'll get it how I can. But we are headed to the lot right now. I'm gonna pull up and it should be heavy hitters today, man. There's a lot more people than there was last night, so hopefully there's a good turnout still, because they've been there since the crack of dawn, bro, really. So shout out to Stoney. I don't know if he's watching, but shout out to all the boys that are out there. The lot days are going crazy, bro. So we're about to pop out there now, so I'm gonna pick up the camera once we get back in so I don't run any of these boys over, man. Y'all are gonna see a bunch of people. We gonna be driving by with the camera. I'm gonna get a lot of camera POV because I think my GoPro might be dead, so not a whole lot of POV today. Big camera work today, so hopefully I'll get Clay to hold it. We'll get work on with this camera on me. We'll get work with him on the R7 and a little bit of everybody else. Hopefully there's some dirt bikes because I like the dirt bikes, bro. Anyway, enough talking, bro. Let's hurry up and get out to the lot. Look at that. Look at that. What is that? That's great. We like that. Yes, sir. What's up? Yes, sir. I'm ready now. I got distracted. You good? Hey. Good. Jimmy.
That's the third time today.
Third time? Doing the same thing?
I keep washing out, bro.
As long as you're alright though, you good?
I wasn't recording.
Hey, I got it for you. We good. At least it was on camera this time.
Yeah.
It happened. It looked good though. You look good doing it. Yeah. That's up. Look, what is Jimmy over here doing, bro? Jimmy, what you doing?
I'm about to do a burnout bike.
Whose bike do you got?
I got you.
Look, what is Jimmy about to do? Look at Jimmy.
That shit is slow.
Yeah. We're gonna find some more people right here in just a minute, chat. Go put that bike up, bro. What you doing? Damn, it looks good. Let's see what he's got, chat. You gotta show y'all something? Look, chat. Look at that. on, bro?
This shit clapped.
All right. That's crazy. The front brake for sure, but.
We got 97%.
I only rode like 2 laps. Drop it, bro. Be straight. Clay, you're not riding anymore, buddy. You're not riding no more. I'm tired. Burn. You're scraping now.
Been out here since 9 in the morning.
I'm waiting. I've been waiting. That's crazy, ain't it? Crazy. Look at that bike is crazy. Bike is good as ever. Look at that. What work is those, chat? What y'all think? Hey, wait till we get good on that 250. I'm telling you what. Telling you. But we're gonna try to do seat jump back to the knee. It's kind of like what my next trick on the mind is. Woo! Woo! What y'all thinking? What y'all thinking? Oh, I just fucking tried to jump to my knee for no reason. We'll do something right. motherfucker. Hey, fuck you, Jimmy. Ready?
You getting up riding now?
Yeah. I'm tired already, bro.
I've been here since 9 this morning.
Yeah, I know. You've been here for a break.
Yeah, man. Cold tomato.
We have just left the lot. This video is strictly people riding, so shout out to everybody that was out there, and shout out to Tony for throwing the meat. That shit was crazy, bro. That was the most people I've ever seen riding bikes. That's like shit I watch on YouTube, and we just made a video like I would watch on YouTube. That's crazy. Shout out to everybody that was out there. Shout out to all the people I met. Y'all boys go crazy. I'm not gonna cap. I gotta get a truck so I can start traveling and going to these bike shits, man. We gonna be out there real soon, real soon. But had a whole lot of fun this weekend, man. Hopefully I'll be on the 250 soon, because that's kind of what I'm trying to be on for real. The Sur-Ron is cool. I'm all right on it, but the 250, it just looks a little bit better. But we got some ride outs we might be attending. I got to get a truck ASAP, man. But shout out to everybody I did meet. All y'all were going crazy. Y'all are a big inspiration, you know what I'm saying? Y'all go extra, extra dumb. Shout out to everybody. We'll be out here really soon, man. Thank y'all, everybody. Cop the merch in the description. I'm Bailey Wise if you're new to the channel, man. And I'll see y'all in the next video.